In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use American Express in GCash. Linking your American Express card to GCash lets you pay quickly and securely without reaching for your wallet. To begin, open the GCash app on your phone. From the home screen, head to your profile, then look for the My Linked Accounts section. This is where GCash keeps all your connected payment methods. In the list of options, select American Express. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your card details. Type in your American Express card number exactly as it appears on the card, followed by the expiry date and the CVV. The CVV is the 3- or 4-digit security code printed on your card. Take a moment to double-check everything for accuracy. Typing errors are a common reason for failed links. After entering your details, continue to the verification step. GCash will send a one-time password or OTP to your registered mobile number. Enter that code promptly to confirm it's really you linking the card. If the OTP doesn't arrive right away, wait a few moments, ensure you have a good signal, and request a new one only if necessary. Never share this code with anyone. Once the OTP is confirmed, your American Express card should be successfully linked. From here on, you can choose it as a payment method whenever you make online transactions, pay for subscriptions, or use services supported within GCash. When checking out, simply pick your American Express under Payment Options and confirm the payment as usual. It's a smooth way to keep your spending organized in one place. A few important reminders. Not all American Express cards are supported, and some transaction types may be restricted under GCash policies. If a payment doesn't go through, it might be due to card type limitations or merchant constraints, not necessarily an issue with your account. Also, certain transactions can incur fees, especially those involving international merchants or currency conversion. Keep an eye on potential charges so there are no surprises. Before you pay, make sure your card is active and has enough available credit to cover the amount. For your security, never share your full card details or OTP with anyone, and always keep your device and app updated. It's a good habit to review your GCash transaction history regularly so you can confirm payments and spot anything unusual quickly. That's it. Your American Express is now ready to use in GCash, giving you a convenient, cashless way to pay.